In this video, I want to have a look at creating a chart with the data that I've already typed in. If we have a quick look at the data, I've got 4 different types of cake, 4 different quarters going along the top, and then the values for each quarter. And I'm just going to highlight this section of data here because I want to include the headings quarter 1 to quarter 4 and the different types of cake, but I don't want the totals included. You could have included the title cake sales here, but it didn't actually pick that up automatically in any case. And then all I need to do is go to the Insert tab, choose this first little option in the chart section, which is called 2D column. And the very first type of 2D column is something called a clustered column. And you can see it's automatically picked up quite a lot of the information for me automatically. It's picked up quarter 1 to quarter 4, it's picked up the different types of cake, and it's automatically scaled from 0 to 18,000, which it knows is in GBP because of the formatting of the existing cells. And if I hover over each column, you can see it shows you the total and the series as a little tooltip. The only thing that's slightly irritating is its positioning, so I'm just going to pick it up and move it by dragging that little white background until I've got it where I want it, and I might just tweak the corners in a little bit to make it fit nicely underneath my data. And the one thing I wanted to show you, this highest figure here, this 16,000, can you see it's scaling up to 18,000 on the side here? I'm just going to change my 16,000 to 18,000 in the actual data itself. And as soon as I hit enter, can you see it's rescaled my chart automatically now up to a value of 20,000. And that's basically as hard as it is to create a chart in Excel.